Hello guys, this is Saad with another quick tutorial. In this video I'll be telling you how to go to your BIOS on the Windows 11. So first of all you'll have to check on your laptop or PC that which BIOS does it actually have in it. So there are two type of BIOS, which is the legacy BIOS and the UEFI BIOS. To check the BIOS on your PC or laptop, you can just type in search system information and then click on the first option over here. So as you can see over here, the BIOS mode, which is UEFI for my system or my laptop, and you can do the same on your laptop and PC or to check your BIOS. So for UEFI BIOS, what you'll have to do is that you'll have to go to the blue screen, and over there there'll be a UEFI option and which will take you to BIOS. But for the legacy BIOS, if over here for you it says legacy, what you'll have to do is that you'll have to restart or boot up your PC or laptop, and then you'll have to hit the F2, F4, F8 or the del key. You can see on the screen which keys you'll have to hit according to your model of your laptop, and that will actually make your or take your laptop to the BIOS mode. And right now I'll show you for the UEFI mode what you'll have to do. So first of all, what you'll have to do is that you'll have to go to the power button and you'll have to click on restart, but don't just click on restart. What you'll have to do is that you'll have to hold down the shift key and then click on restart. So first hold down the shift key and then click on restart. So now as you can see these options, you'll have to now click on troubleshoot. Now you'll have to click on advanced options. After clicking on advanced options, you'll have to select the UEFI firmware settings. So basically if you click on this, you'll be entered in the BIOS settings for your PC or your laptop. But if you don't have this UEFI firmware settings, this is because your BIOS is the legacy one, it's not the UEFI one. To go to the legacy BIOS, what you'll have to do is that you'll have to boot up or restart your laptop, and you'll have to press the key according to the brand of the laptop, and then you'll be headed toward the BIOS mode. Now you can just click on restart and then you'll go to the UEFI BIOS of your PC or laptop. Okay, so let me just tell this to you again, that the BIOS mode over here for me is UEFI, and I told you what you'll have to do if you have the BIOS mode UEFI. But for those who have the BIOS mode which says legacy, they'll have to just boot up their laptop, and then they'll have to click the keys which I have mentioned over here, and that will take them to the BIOS mode of their laptop or their PC. And I hope this tutorial would have helped you, and for similar tutorials what you can do is that you can subscribe to my channel, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.